Hi guys, good morning. Today's video guys, we'll make a fruit salad, and here is the ingredients of my fruit salad: cheese, the mixed fruits, and the caramel condensed milk, and we will put this later. And here's the cheese, a block of cheese. We will mix this also, and this is also condensed milk, a condensed milk, and we will put this also in our salad. And this is caramel, like this, and we will mix this one in our fruit salad. It tastes good. It's yummy. And here's also the cheese, a block of cheese, and we will mix this also. And another one cheese. This is made in Saudi, and here is the fruit salad, and we will mix it now, and we will add this in our fruit salad because there's need to put another mixed fruits. Okay guys, let's mix the fruits, and here's we will mix this one in our fruit salad. The mixed fruits, we will mix it together. This is only an additional mixed fruits because there's a lot of Nestle cream, and we need to put more fruits because it's so sweet. It's too sweet. Okay guys, we will mix it together, the mixed fruits. And this is the mango, but we don't need to put mango because this is already very sweet mixed fruits. Then we will mix it. I forgot to put the sweet corn. I still have a sweet corn. Can you please get the sweet corn? We need to put another sweet corn. Actually, I put it already, a sweet corn here, and I mix it already. And this is the corn salad mixed fruits. And I put whole corn kernel, whole corn. I mix it in our mixed fruits, and these are the mixed fruits guys. It's so yummy, and we will taste it now. It looks like delicious, yummy, delicious. And I forgot to show the one ingredients, the Nestle cream, because I mix it already here in the mixed fruits. And we put already a cheese. And here is the fruits already mixed. It's so yummy. Let's eat guys. A yummy, delicious fruit salad. Okay, there's whole corn, papaya, pineapple, apple. Yummy, delicious. Minsan lang ito guys, kasi ang canned goods ay mga pang-mix sa fruits, mga sweets, kaya we need to eat once in a month, once in a week, kasi matamis. Sweet na yung condensed, ito caramel, tapos condensed milk, plus the canned goods are sweets also. That's why we need to minimize the eating of sweet. Okay, let's eat, guys. Matamis na. Grabe, tamis. Okay guys, let's eat now our food today.